Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to order leads. If you've tried to order leads in the past, this may look a little bit different because we've changed some things. If this is your first time, that's all right. You're going to learn from the first way to do it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, I'm just going to grab out my pen here. First of all is the lead type, and there's a drop down right there. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to just drop down. As you see TCP prospect lead and personal campaign lead. What is the difference? On the TCP prospect lead, that means that you're trying to get a lead to look at the conversion pros, the marketing system, the conversion pros. Now, when you do that, okay, first and foremost, a couple things. Your leads will go over and be put into the sales manager tab if you order leads for TCP. Now, you will not have an autoresponder that you control because that is what we call a corporate lander page. So we actually will send autoresponders for you on your behalf. We also broadcast message to these people on your behalf with your links, your name, your email, all that kind of stuff. You will not have control of any of the blast. Now, you will be able to see in the sales manager tab their name, their email, and phone number that you can call and that you can follow up with. But you won't be able to use the email broadcaster or do any of the follow-up because we'll do that for you on our end, okay? The second way is the personal campaign lead, okay? Because what happens is the leads will not go through your actual pages, okay? There are hundreds of generic pages out there that are talking about making money, working from home, that our company goes out there and generates, and we drop the leads right into your autoresponder campaign. So they're not actually seeing your pages, okay? So on a personal lead campaign, what happens is you will get the leads delivered into your contact manager, not the sales manager like TCP, the contact manager. You will also be able to, if they're in your contact manager, you'll also be able to use the email broadcaster if you're using our autoresponder. So if you order leads, what the next thing is you would choose your package. So you choose your package here. And now you're going to see three options: TCP mail campaign, a Weber mail campaign, or get response mail campaign. If you're using our internal autoresponder, this is what you would select. And then you would drop down and it will show all your autoresponders that you have set up in the system. Pick the autoresponder that you want those leads to start getting messages from, okay? Once you've done that, select your payment and then hit continue, okay? Well, agree to the terms and hit continue. Or if you're using Aweber, you can select one of your Aweber, or if you're using get response, you can select whatever you have in get response, okay? So again, if you want to use our internal email autoresponder, you would just choose this. You'll have to select your personal campaign, and then you'll see this pop up. Or choose Aweber, choose get response if you have those in the system, all right? Also, on leads, just so you know, we are selling you these leads at our cost. We do not make 1 penny on these leads. There are no refunds on leads. We give everyone a 10% overage on the leads that you get, okay? Because maybe you get a couple bad phone numbers or whatever. All lead packages come with a 10% overage. If you are not comfortable with this, do not order. Again, there is no refunds on leads. We do not make 1 penny on leads, and we give you a 10% overage, so there's absolutely no refunds on leads. You will be agreeing to those terms and conditions before you purchase. So just make sure you know that before you go ahead and buy it. But anyway, that's how you order leads. That's how you set up your mail campaigns for the leads. Talk to you soon.